Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over a Huel unboxing video. So this is for people in particular who are wondering what Huel is going to look like when it actually gets delivered. So let me actually go ahead and cover my shipping label, but it basically just comes in a box, just like this. The future of food is inside this box. But let's go ahead and open it up. And the reason why I'm opening it up this way, again, is just because I don't want to show the shipping label. So once you open it up, we've got this nice message. And I must give a disclaimer as far as I've been subscribed to Huel for well over a year now. But thank you for choosing Huel. If you love what we do, share with your friends, get $15 off your next order. Which leads me to my other point, in which if you haven't signed up for Huel just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, you'll get $15 off your first order. Likewise, I will too. Now with Huel, I'm subscribed to Huel, and if you stay subscribed to Huel, you get 20% off. And the good thing with that is that you also get you could also keep extending your renewal date. So let's say if I'm due, this might be too much information, but I think it's important for you to know if you are deciding to try out Huel. But let's say that you're due for your next Huel batch because you're subscribed at the end of March this month. You could actually keep pushing it back if you still have Huel left over. But this is essentially what Huel looks like, and it's two very heavy bags. Now with these bags, I do wish that they filled it up more, but it is what it is. So I have the black edition vanilla, and then I also have the black edition chocolate. I've tried the strawberry. I'm not a fan with it. But down over here, we just have some miscellaneous, it looks like kind of coupons for other services and such. But this is essentially it. And with Huel, it does include a scooper as well. But this is as simple as it gets. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, if you haven't signed up for Huel just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up and save $15 off your first purchase. But thanks so much for watching, everyone. And I'll see you guys all in the next video.